know that your 401k money is not just sitting there? It's actually being invested. Do you know what is being invested in? This is the reason why I'm making this video. I've spoken with a lot of people, my friends, colleagues, and the response they gave me actually shows that most of them don't understand how this 401k plan really works. For some, they just know that this money is taken from their paycheck, and that is it. They don't know what this money is used for. But the truth is, your 401k is being invested in stock markets. And depending on the investment, you can be gaining or losing. I remember when I moved into the States, I was hearing words like 401k, 403b, Roth IRA. It was confusing. I tried asking questions, but the more answers I got, the more confusing it became. Not until when I actually told myself, if this is for the future, I really need to know what it's all about. And when I actually dig myself into it, eventually everything began to make sense to me. If you've ever asked yourself this question, what is 401k? How can I check my 401k? Am I making or losing money? Then keep watching, because I'm going to break everything in simple English. What is 401k? A 401k is a type of retirement saving account that your job may offer you. It helps you to save money now so that when you retire, you have something for the future. It's not just about saving. This money is actually being invested. It is usually invested in things like stock, mutual funds, or bonds. That means over time, your money grows. Some companies offers 403b for non-profit job, IRA accounts if you want to save on your own. But the thing is, you are actually investing for the future regardless of whichever plan that you choose to do. I haven't discussed what 401k is, so we want to talk about how to check your 401k. First thing you do is to find out who manages your 401k. It could be Fidelity, Vanguard, Emperor, or Principal. Go to their website, or you can as well download the app. If you have the app on your phone or you go to the website, the next thing you do is to create an account. That is, if you don't have an account already. When you log in, what you should look at for, go to your portfolio or your investment account, check your total balance, check the investment options, and check the rate of returns, because that helps you to know if you are gaining or losing money. Now that we've known how to check our account, the next thing we need to know is, okay, I've logged into my account. How do I know if I'm making or losing money? Look at how much you have contributed so far this year. That should be in your statement account. Then compare that money which you have contributed to what you have currently as your balance. If your balance is higher than what you have in your statement of account, then that means you are making money. Yay! But if the money you have in your total balance is lower than the money you've paid so far, that means you're losing money. But don't worry, that just gets to show that the market is down, but over time it's going to come up. The stock market usually goes up and down. And always remember that retirement investment is also for a long term. This is the juicy part, the employer match. If your job offers a 401k match, it means that they are adding money to your 401k every time you contribute. So for every dollar you contribute towards the 401k, your company matches it up, although in percentage. For some companies, when you do 6% of your paycheck, they match up 3%, some they match up 4%, and some, when you put in 4% of your paycheck, they in turn match up with 4%, making it a total of 8%. This is actually very juicy. So if your job offers a match, try to get the best out of it, because it is actually the easiest way to grow your retirement savings. And the only way you get an employee match is if you participate in it. If you don't contribute towards your 401k, your employer will never match up. So you have to enroll in 401k for you to be able to get that free money. Having said everything, I want you to have these 3 tips. 1. Always log into your 401k. Well, I would say twice in a year, which is once every 6 months. But if you can, try to log in at least once yearly. 2. When you log in, always check up your investment. Check up those stocks, those bonds that your money is being invested upon. Are they risky? Are they safe? Based on the earnings that you are getting, play around it. You can always change your stocks. You can always change your investment. Then number 3, ask questions. This is your future. Don't be shy about it. Ask your HRO. If your HRO is not able to help you, ask the plan provider. They'll be very happy to help you. And always remember, your 401k is not something you want to ignore. It is part of your future. It's your money. So the more you understand it, the more confident you will feel towards your retirement. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And please, go check your 401k today.